D-Day, the key collection. Yo, today D-Day. Today is July 22nd and our appointment is at 12:15. And we're gonna have our key collection after 5 years waiting. Right?
哇啦！身体健康啊！
Then this is your job, yeah?
好。
Two hand.
看一着。
别！这个。
哇啦！哇啦！
哇啦！
哇啦！
哇啦！哇，就是我厉害。
哇啦！ Okay.
Yay! Yay!
First hand, since we are starting renovation tomorrow, so here goes. Scared.
Yay!
Yay! Woo!
Our first hack on the 3rd of September 2024, right before our renovation tomorrow, and we did a little hack over there. It's pretty intriguing and scary to hack our own wall. Basically tomorrow the renovation will start, and we actually hack around this wall is because of our sort of like auspicious locations for both of our zodiac. Yeah, so can't wait for tomorrow.